In this session, we are going to see how to install Terraform on Windows and Linux machines. So the installation will be different depending on the operating system. So you can install the Terraform either by using the package manager tools, or we can directly download the Terraform binary file from the official Terraform link. So this is the link to download the Terraform file. So this is the installation guide to install the Terraform on different operating system. So I will provide these links on the below video link, so we can go through that. So let's get started. Installation. First install the Terraform on Windows machine. So let's click on this. So now we want to install the Terraform on Windows machine. This is the Windows package. So download this one. Once it's downloaded, we need to unzip the file. So it's downloaded. So I'm unzipping this file. Extract file. So now the file is available on C Terraform, and this is the file. So we have downloaded the Terraform file. So let's go to the command. So if we click on the Terraform, so it is not working. Why? Because we need to give this binary on the environment variables. So we need to copy this. Go to environment variables. In Windows, we need to go to environments like this: PC, properties, and then advanced system settings. Okay, in that environment variables, and here we have the user variables and system variables. User variables means for the particular user. If you place the variable and system variables, if any user log into the system, they can access the Terraform file. So I'm placing on the user. So here Terraform new. Okay, okay, okay. Type cmd, type Terraform. Yeah, now we are getting like this. We need to add the file and environment variables. So this is how we do on the Windows machine. So suppose if you want to check the version of the file, version of Terraform, yeah, I think some spelling mistake is there. Go to command prompt, open Terraform hyphen. Sure. Yeah, now we are getting. So like this, we need to configure on the Windows machine. Now we will configure on the Linux machine. So for the Linux machine, this is the Ubuntu machine. So go to wget and then go to the downloads folder from the Terraform official page, and then copy this link address and place it here. So it will take some time. Yeah, the Terraform file is downloaded, so we need to unzip the file. So for the unzipping the file, we can use unzip, and then the first we'll check. Okay, the file is downloaded. Now we need to unzip the file. Unzip and then this file. So now the file is unzipped. So like Windows, in Windows we are added the file in the environments like that. Also like that in Linux also we need to add the file on the variables. So if I type Terraform, it is not working. Why? Because it is not added to the variables. So to check the environment variables in the Linux machine, the command is echo and get the paths. So these are the paths for the environment variables. So we can place anywhere below paths. So I am placing this path. So move Terraform to this folder. Okay. Now the file is moved to the user local bin folder. Now again check. Let me clear the screen. Clear. Type Terraform. See, now we are able to get the Terraform. Let's check the version. So this is how we need to install on Windows and Linux machines. So and these are the downloads. So we have for the Mac OS, for FreeBSD, Linux, OpenBSD, Solaris, and Windows. So from there we can download, and in official Terraform only they will provide the installation also how we can install the. So let me go to that one also. So if anyone have any doubts, go through this official document. The official document has all information. So they are here showing the Mac or Linux missions. So see here, they are getting the paths and they are downloading and they are moving to the bin folder. So like this. So go through this document. These documents have full information. So we can get all the information here. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching.